Hello and welcome back to our video. In this problem, we're told that the front of a roller coaster car is at the bottom of the hill and is 15 feet above the ground. We're told that it rises at a constant rate of 8 feet per second, whereas which of the following equations gives the height in feet of the front of the roller coaster s seconds after it starts up the hill. So to do this, we can find some of the points on this line, and we can use those to find an equation. So at 0 seconds after it starts up the hill, we're told it's 15 feet off the ground, right? At the beginning, it's 15 feet. So our time in s, our height here, at 0 seconds, we're at 15 feet. And we're rising 8 feet per second. So after 1 second, we are up to 8 feet above 15, which is 23. 2 seconds, 8 feet more is 31, and so on. And so if we have 2 points, right, 0, 15 and 1, 23, we can use those to find the equation of the line. So the typical equation of the line in slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. Of course, we don't have x and y here. We have h and s, so h is equal to ms plus b. And now we just have to find m and b. So b is going to be the y-intercept, or in this case, the h-intercept. What does that mean? Well, when s is equal to 0, h is equal to m times 0 plus b. M times 0 is 0, so this just cancels out, and h is equal to b. So b is the value of h when s is equal to 0. When s is equal to 0, we know h is 15. So our equation here is h is equal to ms plus 15. Okay, now we just have to find the slope m, which is going to be the change in h divided by the change in s between any 2 points. So if you choose these 2 points, the change in h is from 23 to 15, so 23 minus 15. And the change in s is from 0 to 1, so 1 minus 0. Only thing you have to be careful here is that you're subtracting in the same direction. That's why I drew the arrows, just to help me remember. This gives you 23 minus 15 is 8, 1 minus 0 is 1, so 8 divided by 1 is 8. H is therefore equal to 8s plus 15, plugging in 8 for m as we have just found it. And this lines up with A, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.